Welcome back to Byte Buzz Innovations. If you're passionate about the latest in automotive tech, creative modifications, and futuristic designs, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for updates on our exclusive content. Today, we're diving into something extraordinary, a custom LED headlight upgrade for the 2025 Toyota Century Sedan. Let's get into it. Alright, picture this. The 2025 Toyota Century Sedan, already an icon of luxury and sophistication, but now with a head-turning LED lighting system that takes its elegance to the next level. Today, we'll break down every aspect of this custom modification, from design and functionality to installation and final performance. But before we get started, let us know in the comments, what's your dream car mod? We'd love to hear from you. So, why upgrade the headlights of a car as premium as the Toyota Century? While the stock headlights are impressive, the right LED upgrade can enhance not only the aesthetic appeal but also functionality. We're talking about better visibility, enhanced safety, and an unforgettable look that will make this luxury sedan even more distinctive on the road. Transition sound effect. Let's start with the design. For this project, we've collaborated with some of the most innovative minds in automotive lighting technology. The goal: a design that complements the timeless elegance of the Toyota Century while introducing a modern edge. We've chosen a multi-segmented LED structure, featuring dynamic daytime running lights, DRLs, adaptive beams for enhanced visibility, and even customizable light animations. Sound of tools or design sketches. The multi-segmented LEDs aren't just for looks. Each segment serves a purpose. The DRLs are designed to form a signature pattern that's instantly recognizable. Think of it as the car's unique light signature. The adaptive beams automatically adjust based on driving conditions. Whether it's a foggy morning or a dimly lit highway, these LEDs will have you covered. Pause for emphasis. Now, here's where things get really exciting. The customization options. Using a dedicated smartphone app, the LED lights can be configured to display different colors and animations. Imagine arriving at an evening event with a light animation that's as classy and unique as your Century. It's personalization taken to a whole new level. Upbeat music transition. Moving on to the technical side, let's talk about installation. While this might sound like a complex project, the process has been simplified thanks to a plug-and-play system. For our demonstration, we removed the stock headlights and replaced them with a custom LED setup in under 2 hours. And don't worry, we'll be providing a detailed installation guide later in the video. But first, let's cover what you need for this upgrade. The custom LED kit we used comes with everything: the headlight assembly, control modules, wiring harness, and the app for customization. It's designed specifically for the 2025 Toyota Century, so there's no need for cutting or modifying any existing components. Everything fits perfectly. Sound of unboxing the kit. Unboxing this kit was a treat on its own. The craftsmanship is remarkable, with each component meticulously designed. The materials are high quality, ensuring durability and long-term performance. And let's not forget the instruction manual. Clear, concise, and easy to follow. Transition sound effect. Now comes the moment we've all been waiting for, testing the new LED system. With the headlights installed, we took the Toyota Century out for a night drive. And wow, the difference is like night and day, literally. The road was illuminated with a crisp, clear light that made every detail visible. The adaptive feature seamlessly adjusted the beam intensity, ensuring other drivers weren't blinded while still providing us with optimal visibility. And let's talk about the DRLs. During the day, the dynamic patterns added a futuristic vibe to the Century's front profile. Whether parked or on the move, this car now commands attention in a way that's impossible to ignore. Background music builds up. But it's not just about looks. Safety is a key factor here. The improved visibility reduces strain on the driver's eyes and increases reaction time in critical situations. Plus, the customizable features ensure that your car stands out, reducing the likelihood of accidents in low visibility conditions. Pause and lower music volume. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. A premium upgrade like this isn't cheap, but it's a worthwhile investment for anyone who values luxury, performance, and safety. The kit we used is priced at around $2,000, but considering the quality and functionality, it's a fair deal. Sound of applause or excitement. Before we wrap up, here's our final verdict. If you own a 2025 Toyota Century Sedan and you're looking to elevate its aesthetic and functional appeal, this custom LED headlight upgrade is a must-try. It's a perfect blend of style, technology, and practicality. Background music fades in. Alright, that's a wrap for today's episode on Byte Buzz Innovations. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the custom LED upgrade for the Toyota Century, smash that like button and share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. And remember, your support helps us bring you even more exclusive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safe and stay innovative.